Hello guys, welcome to our channel Live Jobs Info. I hope you are doing well. Today in this video, let us see how to apply for TCS. TCS is hiring for NQT. So they are hiring for off-campus drive for freshers. Now let us see how to apply for. Before we apply, I request you to please subscribe to our channel so that you will get daily job notifications so that you won't miss any of the last date things. Like for any job updates, I have seen most of the people are applying after the last date. So you're seeing the videos after the last date. Some of them are also commenting. So I request you to please subscribe instantly so that you will get the daily job notifications and so that you will be able to apply immediately so that you won't miss any of the last date for any organization. And also I request you to please watch this video till the end so that you will get complete overview of this job. Here we can see that there are many job notifications like Mindtree, Cognizant and Accenture is hiring for trainee software and TCS is hiring for NQT off-campus drive, and Dell Technologies is hiring for technician technical support for freshers. HP is hiring for system test engineer. Like that, there are so many job opportunities. Just go through our website www.livejobsinfo.com, or else you can also find in the link in the description. Here you can see that TCS is hiring for off-campus drive. Now let us see how to apply for this job. So this job was posted on November 27, 2021. TCS is an Indian MNC company and it is a consulting company headquartered in Mumbai, Maharashtra, India, with the largest campus located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu in India. As of February 2021, TCS is the IT company in the world by marketing capitalization. TCS is a software and services provider in India. It is a part of the Tata Group, which oversees operations for more than 100 companies in seven business sectors: communication, information technology, engineering, materials, services, energy, consumer products, and chemicals. And TCS is today the most powerful brand in global IT services. We are partner of choice to large. Thank you for your efforts and in making this growth possible. TCS has a well outlated strategy which has guided into leadership position. TCS is today most powerful brand in global IT services. They have also partnered with the choice of large and global companies are growing fast with 12% of CAGR over last 5 years, and they are thankful for the efforts in making this growth possible. And TCS has a well articulated strategy and leadership guided position. Average TCS fresher salary ranges from 2.9 to 2.9 lakhs, and within less than a year of experience to 6 years. Fresher trainee salary at TCS ranges between 2 lakhs to 3.6. It is a huge package for freshers. They are offering this much, so I request you to please apply wherever you find any of the jobs related to TCS. About TCS NQT test. TCS NQT test is a multi-level assessment to assess the following competencies and skills, like competence on the core cognitive process required for entry-level jobs, industry-specific knowledge and insights. Candidates with NQT scores are eligible to apply on the TCS Ion job listing portal. Candidates with an NQT score can use it for any entry-level job in any organization. It recently recruited around 40,000 freshers through TCS NQT, its national qualifier test, which is one of the top recruiters in the country. TCS has also announced the recruitment through TCS NQT 2021. The gross salary of TCS NQT 2021 for freshers, including all benefits like 3.5 to 6.5 LPA, depending upon the various positions offered after clearing the test. Incentive and benefits varies from person to person performance. NQT score has a validity of 2 years. Exams are conducted online from home, and physical in-center at TCS Ion job listing portal. Candidates with NQT scores are eligible to apply on the TCS Ion job listing portal. And candidates with an NQT scores can use it for entry-level job in any organization. So this is the main benefit of NQT test. So I request you to please go through this NQT test. You will get a very good experience in this. So you'll know what are the current trends in the market and all, and you can check your knowledge. And I request you to please apply if you are eligible. Like you can apply with this if you are eligible for this test, then you will be able to get any job in any organization. You can keep it in your resume also. In order to get daily job updates, I request you to please join in any of these groups. Candidates are like UG, PG, diploma students in pre-final or final year are eligible for this. Experience needed is freshers. Salary is negotiable. Location is across India. Last date to apply is December 5th, 2021. Test date is 25th, 2021, December 25th. To apply, I request you to please click on this official link, or else you can find in the description. Let me keep it in desktop mode so that we'll be able to get all the things. So I request you to please register. Click on this register button. Then you will be you need to select any of this. Then it will ask for it will ask you to get into the to fill all the details like name, details, date of birth, gender, email ID, mobile number, qualification, year of passing, source, and nearest test location and all. I request you to please fill all those details. Then you need to log in. You can click on this login option once you complete the complete process. So you need to provide your resume also in this. So it will be asking. So I request you to please fill the complete details so that you will be able to apply for this job. This is a very great job, as all of us know that TCS is a very great company, and I request you to please apply. And there are so many videos for freshers and both experienced guys. I request you to please go through them. We have already provided the videos, and also please visit our website www.livejobsinfo.com so that you will get the complete overview of all the jobs. So also please subscribe to our channel so that you will be able to get instant notifications. I hope this video helps you, and comment below what type of jobs you need so that we will get more jobs for you in this channel so that you will get the instant notifications. Please subscribe and support us. And that's all from my end. Stay safe, stay positive, keep smiling, and keep learning. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day.